Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we are starting our chapter number 5, that is on page number 34, that is environment. What is environment and what is habitat? Actually, a habitat is an area within an environment in which a species live and it is active. What is environment? Environment, the surrounding around us, all the area around us is known as environment. So environmental contain living and non-living, all the things. But a habitat is an area. Habitat, you can say habitat is a home, a ground, or a place to live over there. Habitat supports life by providing the things that an animal or a plant needs to survive. A habitat is a place where all the things that are the useful for the living thing over there is known as habitat. Can you list what living things need to survive? Which can you tell me that which things that you need to survive? Yes, think. All the things need food, water, shelter, and a safe environment for the young. All these things are very needful for any living thing in a habitat. So there come another thing, that is diversity. Diversity means the change. Look into your classroom. All the people are same? No, they are not same. They are different from each other. So they can give the different results from each other. So that's why this is known as diversity, means difference. What is diversity? So I give you an example. So why is diversity important? Diversity means difference. The more differences in a habitat, if there are many different types in an environment or on a living place, the more types of animals and plants it can have living within it. Diversity is important because it means animals and plants do not have to compete for the same food, water, and shelter. It means that they all cannot live on the same items. If a habitat is not diverse, is not different from each other, the weaker animals and plants will not be able to survive over there. If a habitat is diverse and different, animals and plants can survive next to each other. So here are some important information for you. So after reading this topic very carefully, you are able to give the answer of habitat and the meaning of diversity on your notebook, and you can also highlight these questions on your book, and you can also memorize these two questions on your, by highlighting that on your book. Human activity in habitats. Most animals remain within their own habitat. Most of the animals live within their own homes and on their own land and their own places. They do so because their habitat provides them everything. Because the place where they are living, they that have everything: shelter, food, water, and environment, safe environment for the young. So they do not need to move from there. Animals usually leave, some animals leave their living place because if there is run short of their food, water, or shelter, so they will leave from one place to another. They will migrate from one place to another. Humans often go into other habitats. Humans also go to other habitats, but for example, humans use rivers, streams, and oceans to find food. Humans cut down the trees and forests to make houses, furniture, and other things. But the human beings do so just for the sake of fun. Humans go to other habitats just for fun, but the animals leave their habitat because the supply of their food or water or shelter is no longer over there. After reading these two pages, now you are able to give the answer of these two questions also. So your today's task is till page number 26. You have to highlight these 4 questions on your book, and you have to memorize these questions.